Here we have Camilo from Renegade Hybrids, Florida, working on the 944. What are you doing?
Just double checking all the hardware, making sure everything's the right size, the right breakage and everything.
So these are all the parts for the build?
Yeah, going through the whole basic conversion kit right now, making sure our checklist is good before I install them for customers.
Hell yeah. Just a little look of the engine bay before the engine goes in later today. Beautiful rainy day in Florida. Engine's about to go in. Tonight. So I just got back to Renegade Hybrid, Florida, and Get Some Tire Factory, and these fuckers did not film them putting the engine in last night when I was not here. But here we are. The LS is in the red 944. These boys had a nice late night doing it.
Oh, I don't do video.
Testing the radiator before you put it in to there. I'm back at the shop, and there's definitely been some things added here. Let me see if I can get one of the boys to explain. Hey Gizmo.
Hi, Kat.
Okay, so since the last time I was here, the radiator was not in. So can you please explain what else was added?
We installed the cooling system 70% of the way, and the headers.
Camilo over here knows the answers.
That's pretty much all we've done.
Is that true?
Camilo's slacking.
There's more.
Camilo's slacking.
Maybe I should interview Camilo.
Camilo's working at 30% capacity.
He's been roasting you this whole video.
It starts with like Monday, 100%. Tuesday,
Okay,
80.
cut. I'm cutting this. Okay, Camilo. Gizmo didn't really know what was added. Can you please explain?
So recently we did the full suspension of the vehicle, front and back. Aftermarket sway bars. They might have to get adjusted. We also did front and rear coilovers, did front and rear bushings, part of full suspension.
Gizmo, the noise.
You're gonna cut out that right?
All right, we're back.
We have our Renegade Hybrid brake booster delete on the vehicle. The brake booster delete is needed.
Wait, pause.
What were you saying about the noise?
All right, we're back over here.
After our brake booster delete, we started working on our cooling system. The cooling system heater lines are now ran. We need a vacuum line that's gonna tie into the intake manifold to activate the plunger. Also, we are starting to route our AC lines, our custom AC lines, to retain the stock condenser and most of the stock AC system.
Sweet. Making noise back there. All right, Gizmo has something to say.
So we like to keep the swaps.
Come on, Celsius doesn't promote us.
We're doing a free Celsius. This is not a Celsius. So we like to keep the swaps very OEM plus. So I like to use like the factory condenser, as much of the factory AC lines as possible, and just remake what we need to remake. That way, if you have to fix, for example, if this line here ever leaks, it's just an OEM 944 line that you can just buy on eBay versus like a custom line.
Cheers.
We made our fuel line kit for the 944s relatively user-friendly kit. It utilizes the stock lines for the vehicle. You just put some AN adapters on it. Now there's 6 AN for both return and feed. And it feeds through the filter. The filter is also works as a regulator. Feeds directly to the rails and then back out through the return.
Cool. Thanks.
Hey guys, it's Camilo here. We're here with the red 944. We just got finished up with the LS3 conversion. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it in a turbo 944 transmission. Today, we just put in the built transmission from a turbo model. This thing's 90% of the way there. Pretty much all we need now is for AC to be programmed, rewired, little shields here and there for better cooling, and then off to the alignment. It should be ready to go home. Sick.